guys, it's Anna and welcome back to another video of mine, and today's video, which is going to be a Halloween, DIY Halloween costumes video, and it's going to be very interesting. There's only actually going to be 3 ideas like that I'm going to actually do, but they're going to be 3 really good ideas. So yeah, and you have no idea how much work it took me to actually get these 3 costumes. I don't know why it took me so long, but it did. So yeah. Also, I do live in Canada. We are located in Canada, so it's gonna be pretty freezing outside, so I don't really recommend wearing these outfits outside, but it's not like you should be going outside this year anyways, so you should be fine. Yeah, or you can obviously like add modifications, like wear long pants instead of shorts, or just wear it for pictures inside and then change. But yeah. Okay, so starting off, why do I look like that? Oh, yeah, okay. Anyways, starting off with the first costume is gonna be holy cow. So basically, you're gonna be a holy cow. You're gonna have a halo and a cow t-shirt, and it's super easy. You can either get a cow print shirt already from like Walmart or Amazon, or you can make it yourself. Just get a plain white shirt and follow my DIY fabric paint video from way back. I'm not, let's just say we'll leave things in the past and I have hopefully glowed up, but it's a pretty good video. It's a good recipe.
Oh, hell no!
So I used that to make my own DIY fabric paint to paint on the little spots for the cow print. And yeah, basically that's it. And then I also made my own halo out of tulle and wire, just because I couldn't find a halo, surprisingly, in the places that I went. But I'm pretty sure you can probably also order it online. I might do that. But this was a temporary, and honestly, I feel like it kind of looks realistic. So yeah. Also, for the holy cow, I have a little wing necklace that I've had for a while. I feel like it adds to the angel. And then there's 2 ideas that I didn't do myself, but I definitely feel like it's really cute if you do it with your date or your friends, which would be holy guacamole. So instead of a holy cow, you're holy guacamole. And also oh dear, which is just like a deer with an O. So they're all like puns to sayings. Yeah, I'll provide pictures wherever is necessary. I'm talking really fast because I ran up the stairs and I'm out of breath. And then so the second costume is a fairy costume, which I feel like is so cute. Again, I couldn't really find it in my local Dollarama store, but I just went to my local thrift store and they had this super cute tutu that is for a 6-year-old, but you can squeeze into it. And then I just wore shorts underneath because obviously I do not want to get demonetized, and also family friendly here. And then I just wore a tank top that I also thrifted, which is super cute. It's got like a bedazzled butterfly, and also the jewelry that I have is super cute. It's BLM. The girl sells these on Instagram and she makes them herself, and all the profits go to Black Lives Matter, so definitely check her out. Okay, so that's the holy cow. Very fun. We love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the fairy costume. Ready? So here it is. As you can see, it's really short, so I have just like, don't worry, I got shorts underneath, but they're like kind of like nude colored, so it's perfect because then it kind of just blends into the skirt, because the skirt itself is tiny. I just got a butterfly necklace. Oh, I also did my nails, and they're cow print, so they match the other outfit. But yeah, I have my BLM rings, and then also this super cute headband it came with the skirt, and basically like that. Okay, not like that, but one thing that I want to do, I want to be super extra with the makeup. So I never do eyeshadow ever because I'm not the most amazing makeup artist or person, but I do enjoy it, and I never really go out with like any eyeshadow color other than like brown or nude shades. So I have a colorful palette and sparkles. So we're gonna have some fun today. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and hopefully it turns out decently alright. I'm looking at the mirror, if you're wondering what I'm looking at. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and take this purple shade right here. Oh yeah, I've just removed my eye makeup, if you're wondering why I look different. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna take this purple shade and just go all over. And then I also have from my Smashbox, I'm gonna take this pink shade right there and also do the same thing. And then I'll probably do a little bit of an eyeliner wing thing. And then I'm gonna take some eyelash glue and have some fun with confetti, because why not? I feel like it's very euphoria. Basically, I'm inspired by, I'm gonna pull it up. I've got a whole album, or a whole board, Pinterest board. But I'm gonna try to do this. Oh, also for the cow, I was gonna do this, but clearly my skills can't do that. It's like the get ready videos, but it's not. Sorry if you're here and you were planning on just staying for a bit. Now you're staying forever. Oh, I should, actually I'm gonna prime my eyelids. It looks like someone punched me in the eyeball. I never put eyeshadow underneath, but that's what she did, so that's what she said. I'm gonna work on the other eye too. Oh my god, that's horrible. I feel like when you put eyeliner on, it makes everything look better, hopefully. And then I'm gonna go in with this dark shade here with this kind of like eyeliner-y brush, and I'm gonna do a eyeliner. Not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and add the sparkles now. I'm just gonna use some eyelash glue. I should open this carefully because we don't want random stars everywhere. Ta-da! It's done! So this is the complete look for the fairy. Now we can take pictures. Yeah. And then the very last extravagant Halloween idea is a ghost. I'm not joking. It's actually a really good costume because no one can see, like, no one needs to see your face. You don't have to put any makeup, and you can pizzazz it up with some sunglasses. I feel like that would make you really stand out. So yeah, that's just about it. That is all the Halloween outfits I have for you guys this year. Super easy, super affordable. You can DIY them yourselves. Definitely tag me on Instagram if you do decide to do these. They're not original ideas, but they're great, and I gave them to you. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. I hope you have a safe Halloween. Do not have giant parties, please and thank you. And ooh, I also have, if you'd like, check out all my social medias. I have my Instagram page for my own personal one and my Depop shop, or my Instagram shop, as well as my Depop shop. And currently we have not Christmas, Halloween packaging, so it's just a little Halloween bag. So definitely check that out if you are interested in shopping for scrunchies or bandanas, or you know, you want to start your Christmas shopping early.
It's big.
Anyways, hope y'all stay safe, and ciao!